In this video I'll show you how to order Telegram group Buzz Plus on Fansgurus. Let's log in first. Log in with your account. Here is the dashboard. Open services on the left. We're doing Telegram, so I pick the Telegram icon. Scroll to find service 15873. Let me open the details and explain it. Here's the idea. Each real user sends 20 valuable messages. 20 messages, each sends 20 valuable messages. No spam, natural chat, a genuinely active feel. Now let's place an order. Paste your Telegram group link here. Enter the quantity, $1.78 per user. The price is calculated automatically. Check everything, click submit, and you're done. The order starts shortly. You can track it under orders. That's Telegram group Buzz Plus on Fansgurus.